to discuss what is it all about. So first is the core subject description. So the subject covers various contemporary arts practices of the region where the school is located. It aims to provide students with an appreciation of a broad range of styles in the various disciplines with consideration on their elements and principles, and engage them to an integrative approach in studying arts. So through this subject, the students will broaden and acquire the necessary creative tools that open opportunities in pursuing their goals and aspirations. Next, in this subject, we have 4 contents and 4 performance standards. So first is the content. Number 1, integrative art as applied to contemporary art. The second is contemporary arts in the Philippines. The third one is the different contemporary art techniques and performance practices. And the last one is the contemporary arts production. Now is the performance standard. First, the learner will present a form of integrated contemporary art based on the region of his or her choice. The second is the students will create avenues to advocate the arts from the different regions. The third one is the student will discriminate among various materials and techniques. And the last performance standard is they're going to design a production using available materials and appropriate techniques. So that's all. Goodbye. Elements of art and the principles of design. At the end of the lesson, the learner will be able to enumerate the different elements of art and principles of design, identify the elements and principles used in the various art forms, appreciate the various contemporary art forms found in the regions by understanding the elements and principles.
Building blocks of an artwork. The tools that an artist uses when creating an artwork. The elements of art are line, shape, color, space, texture, and value. Line. Line is the path between 2 points. Here you can see 2 points. When you connect them, you have a line. There are many different types of lines, such as straight, wavy, zigzag, and loop-to-loop. Shape. Shape is a 2-dimensional area closed by a line. Here you have a line that looks like a circle, but it is not a shape yet because the ends are not connected. When the line closes, it becomes a circle. Geometric shapes are the ones that you might see in math class, like circles, square, triangle, star, or hexagon. Organic shapes are ones that you might see in nature and are usually rounded. Color. Color is the way we describe an object by the way it reflects or absorbs light. When light hits an object, we see the color of it. For example, when light hits this apple, we see that it is red. We use the color wheel when talking about color in art. Color can be separated into families, like the primary and secondary colors, or the warm and cool colors. Space. Space is the way that things are arranged in art. Space is used in many different ways. One way is when we talk about the background, middle ground, and foreground. The background is in the back, the middle ground is in the middle, and the foreground is in front. To make something look far away, you can draw it smaller. To make something look closer, you can draw it bigger. This is called perspective. Another way to use space is to overlap objects. Here, the fruit all look next to each other, but here, the fruit overlaps and you can see that the orange is in front and the pear is in back. Texture. Texture is the way that something looks or feels. Here you can see that the cactus has lines drawn on it to make it look prickly. The berry has rounded circles to make it look bumpy. The syrup is drawn to be dripping over the pancakes, and white is added to make it look shiny and sticky. The koala is drawn with zigzag lines to make it look fluffy and soft. Value. Value is the range of dark to light. When you add black to a color, it's called a shade. When you add white, it's called a tint. Here are all the elements together again. I hope this helped you learn about the elements of art.